to just get out in beautiful nature and take you with me. And on our spring today, so yeah, that's it. It's a beautiful day. The spring is in the air, summer's not far, and I hope you're doing well. The spring's in here. So sweet. So I might be able to just add in a few of the little clips of some of the things. So yeah, let's see how that goes. All of these flowers are in full bloom. These are the irises, and they have just been so amazingly beautiful. But what I love about that is they stay green year round. Things in here. So it's going to be a beautiful picture. And then here is the miracle tree. This is a crabapple tree that had totally been knocked down by the roots, but it survived. And it's come back even bigger and stronger.